everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. No laughing. I never said I looked good in hats. But I am one smart cookie. And I'm going to show you something today that I purchased with my own money because I hate to admit that I am a sucker for gadgets and like these new things that come out. I get all excited and I'm like, I have to try it. So I'm going to show you today what I bought. I have not used it yet. We're going to see if it works. So what I purchased was called One Smart Cookie. You see that? And One Smart Cookie is fast and easy and no mess way to roll out your sugar cookies. You don't need cookie cutters anymore. And all the instructions are on the back. Like I say, I haven't used it yet, so we're going to see if it works. But this is what you get. And what I ordered came as a set of 2. So this came, it was Christmas, has trees on it, and candy canes and wreaths and stockings and stars. And the other one that came with it, it was a set, let me show you, was the One Smart Cookie, and this was Gingerbread Boys. And it says, in 4 easy steps, you'll have a variety of cookies with perfect thickness, spacing, and shape. No more guesswork and no more mess. So they also give you recipes on the back for sugar cookies and gingerbread cookies. So, and it also shows you on here that I guess you can go on their website and they have these One Smart Cookie sheets for almost every holiday you can think of. So we're going to give it a try. Now, let me read the directions. It says on it, place one smart cookie cutter on parchment paper or directly on a flat baking pan. Now, I will tell you this. When I took this out of the package and I put it down like you're supposed to on my cookie sheet, it didn't fit. It was slightly larger than the cookie sheet on the side, and it's supposed to be flat. So I couldn't use it. So I will tell you, if you decide, oh, there goes my oven. If you decide to do this, make sure that you have a cookie sheet that this will fit on. So I found this one was very inexpensive in Home Goods, and it does fit on there. So according to this, I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper on this cookie sheet. So let's see. I have a roll of that here. Now it says that you don't need flour, and according to the directions, you don't need to chill your cookies, your sugar cookie dough. So I already made the sugar cookie dough beforehand, so I'm not going to be showing you how to make that. You can use any sugar cookie dough. So I'm going to put this down on here. I'm reminding you that I don't know what I'm doing. Now let me see. So I guess you put this down on here like that. Oh, well good, at least it fits on the parchment paper. Can you see that? Okay, now according to this, you are supposed to, let me see here, you're supposed to fill the shapes with small amounts of your room temperature dough. It says no more chilling of dough needed. Okay, so we're going to do that. I have my dough here. So I'm going to do what they're saying to do. I'm going to take some of the dough and I'm going to put it over these things like this. There you go. Okay. This is what it's telling me to do, so that's what I'm going to do. Right now, this is an experiment to see if this One Smart Cookie works. Put some over here by these holly leaves. All right. Put some over here by the candy cane. I don't know. Feel like a little kid here playing with their dough. All right, put it here. What it's saying to do, I don't know. It'd be fun if it works, but I'm not sure. So your guess is as good as mine. So let's see. All right, I'll put this over here. Then it tells you, I think, let me double check. It says, place plastic wrap or wax paper over the dough and roll it with a rolling pin until the shapes are completely full. No more flour mess. Okay, I have wax paper here. I'm gonna put that over here. My hands are all yucky, but they're clean. All right, now I'm supposed to take this rolling pin and roll it over here. All right. Let's see. It's moving here. I'm trying to hold it while I'm rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Those of you that are already subscribers know I'm a little cray-cray. And those of you who aren't subscribers, if you decide you want to be after this, hit the red subscribe and the little bell next to it, and that's it. You'll be a subscriber, and you won't miss the rest of my videos that'll be coming up, especially for the holidays. All right, so let's just try this for now. I rolled it. Now, according to this, dun, da, 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 let's see what it says. According to this, okay, slowly lift one smart cookie cutter while gently pressing shapes as they slide through and remain on the parchment paper. Let's see if this works. So we're supposed to slowly, oh I see, lift up this. I think that's what it says. Slowly lift one smart cookie up. And I guess you're supposed to sort of press down. This dough is definitely at room temperature. I don't know, maybe it's too soft. Let's see if this is going to work. I think I might have needed some flour on this dough. I'm not sure. Supposed to be lifting this up. Not coming out very well. Whoa! Well, I think my dough is too soft because it's not, look how soft it is. I think I left it out at room temperature too long. All right, I'm gonna put some flour in this dough, toughen it up a little bit, and I'm gonna try again because I'm no quitter. So stay tuned. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Maybe I should just put this in the video to show you that it didn't work the first time around. Oh my God. Oh, okay, let me move this over here. I had a feeling my dough was going to be too soft. I left it out too long while I was working on another video. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm going to try this again. Ugh. What a mess. Oh my gosh. I should put this on as veil or not. Oh, yeah, see, it's too greasy. That's the problem. All right. Let me turn off my camera while I flour this baby up a little, and I'm going to try again. Okay, I'm back. I cleaned up the mess, and like I said, I didn't get this tassel for nothing. I did graduate, and I think my first attempt at this was a operator error. Me being the operator. The dough, since it said you don't have to chill it, I was working on another video, and I think I left it out way too long. So let's try again. see if this works. I'm going to try part of it here. Let's try this end where there's a stocking and an ornament. Because we're not going to give up. Not without a fight, that's for sure. All right, a star here. We'll do, let's see what we'll do here. A Christmas tree. All right. You're supposed to pat down your little pieces of dough over the pieces here. Let's see, we'll do another tree. There we go. And what else? An angel. We'll do some holly leaves here. All righty. Some more here. A little here. And a little here. Just to see if this is going to work. Now, it says I should put a piece of wax paper over there. Trying it again. Alrighty. And I'm just going to take my rolling pin and roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. It doesn't tell you how hard to roll it. I guess just till you fill in those pieces, right? Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah. You're probably saying to yourself, isn't it easier to just do it with a cookie cutter? Well, I don't know. We'll see. Look at this. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right. Again. Da 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 da. I'm going to supposedly gently pick up the One Smart cookie frame. So let's see how this goes. Picking it up, picking it up, picking it up. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, but I don't know. This doesn't seem to be working. We'll see. Maybe if the company's watching, they can show me a way to make this better. It says to just pick this up. I'm trying to pick it up. Gently pick it up. Well, I'm not getting it. I'm not seeing it at all. I mean, yeah, I am pressing down lightly here. And the holly leaf or the tree came out, but I don't know, this is weird. Gently lift it. Oh, Lord. Well, let's see. The tree came out broken. I don't know. Here's the candy cane. I don't know. I'm not digging it. Unless there's a problem with my dough. I mean, these are just not falling out the way they should. Not at all. No. So I'm going to say at this point, whether it's this one smart cookie, or me, or my dough, I don't know. But at this point, I'm going to have to call this a fail. It's easier to just roll out my dough and cut them with a cookie cutter. Oh my goodness, what is the problem? Well, anyway, I don't know. I still think I'm one smart cookie. But I think this one smart cookie frame is not working. So if I try it again, maybe with another sugar dough recipe, I will come back and show you if it works. Maybe it's the recipe I use. But for now, thanks for watching this crazy video. If you still want to subscribe after this, love to have you. I promise you, they're not all like this. I'll see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles! Oh my goodness, what a mess. Well, ladies and gents, as I mentioned earlier, I am not a quitter. So let's say we consider this part 1, and I'll go back to this with the dough recipe that's on the package
and we'll give it another try to see if it works. So stay tuned.